Hey everyone, John Chow here for johnchow.com. It's Saturday. I'm here at the San Clemente Outlet for another South OC Cars and Coffee. It's right now, the show has started 30 minutes, it's 9:30. It starts at 9 o'clock and yeah, it's been going on for like 30 minutes now and check it out. Most of the cars have came in, so there's no lineup. Except for the coffee lineup. Not too bad. Alright, so let's go check out the cars and see what we got. This is the Cars and Coffee merchandise tent. They now have 2 tables, which is cool. Okay, so we'll start right here, and this is the Camaro of Simon. He's the founder of the show. And this is his son James's new supercar. He used to have a Camaro, but now he has himself an Audi R8 V10.
Hey, that's it for another week at South OC Cars.
Check it out.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment.
There's Simon and James doing their video. McLaren, Polestar, one of the sponsors, the other Polestar. And check out this thing. This is a freewheeler, and it qualifies as a motorcycle, but it's available for rent. Yeah, Share is making this thing available for rent, along with this one. Nice 992 Porsche, rent me. And oh, check out this. This is attracting a lot of attention. This is a Mercedes SL Goldwing. Wow. Oh, check out that straight 6 motor. That is walking huge. And it's unusual straight 6 because most straight 6 are vertical up and down. This one is slanted at an angle. So it makes me wonder, the combustion chamber cannot be too efficient having a motor tilted like that. But that was it back in the 60s. Cool. Ford GT, GT3 RS, Ferrari, another GT3 RS, 600 LT Spider, Gallardo, Ferrari 308, Magnum PI, remember that? Another 600, another Lamborghini, another Ferrari, Porsche 928. Another Porsche GT3. This one has an aftermarket wing because I guess the factory one isn't big enough. So there you go. Got the word Porsche on it too. GT4 in yellow. 720 with a carbon hood. Aventador, another McLaren, Lamborghini, quite a few Lamborghinis and McLarens. Acura NSX, MP412C. Oh, check this out. It's a station wagon version. Yeah. So this is the station wagon version of the Porsche Taycan, the Cross Turismo. Cool. Yeah. I guess this would be the second electric Porsche. It's just basically the station wagon version of the Taycan. So for those who prefer a station wagon look, this is it. Check that out. Factory slant nose Porsche. Yeah, back in the time when these cars were made, some people prefer this look, and that it was originally done by an aftermarket tuner, but then it got so popular that the factory started offering it if you're going to pay $30,000 extra. And back then, $30,000 was serious money. The new Tesla Model S Plaid, and I see the owner has already made some changes. He de-chromed the T, pretty good, made it kind of black chrome, and he also changed the wheels. So check out those wheels, look very nice. Looks like he changed the offset too because they're sticking out a little further. Tinted the front there as well. Yeah, added in much bigger wheels and tires, and he removed the plaid so you can't tell. Right, you can't tell, and this became carbon fiber. No one would suspect that this is the fastest car in the world. It's just it looks like any other sedan that you can take to groceries, take shopping, but you can basically blow away every single supercar on Supercar Road. Really nice Porsche Speedster in blue, yellow, and black. So you got yellow calipers with matching yellow piping and yellow seat belts. Really nicely done. Oh, you also got the optional Porsche fire extinguisher there. Yeah, my friend Alice will give his nut for this thing. It's gonna be a hot day. I can feel it right now. The sun coming down. No, very little clouds in the sky. Whew. And that's a lot of chrome. Cool. Oh, and I see these are the cars of the driving school, advanced driving school. They use Tesla Model 3s. Cool. And oh, check out these minis. Not one, but two. This one's got the checkerboard on top, and the other one's got the British Union Jack flag. That is one tiny motor. And then again, they are very tiny cars. To the end, we have this. Not tiny. It's a classic Cadillac DeVille, asking $32,000, made in 1961. That's kind of cool. So, looks very well restored. Interior has been redone. It looks good. And then in the trunk here, we see a couple of Alpine type subwoofers aiming backward. Now, before you start realizing why you're playing subwoofers into the trunk, no one can hear it. It's a little different. What they've done was they reversed the polarity of the subwoofer so that it's reverse. It is playing into the cabin. Yeah, cool. So if you're interested in a nice classic Cadillac, and this one's for sale. All right, check out this second classic. This is a Corvette, and that's because the gas tank's in the front. There's no motor in there. The Corvette has engines in the back. You got the fuzzy dice. You gotta love that. Yeah, and here's the engine. Oh, check out, it's been modified a little bit. I see they put a spare tire in. Okay, so it's a flat motor. You can see the exhaust going there. There's a turbo. Oh, interesting, a turbocharged Corvette from 1964. Here we have a C8 Corvette Convertible. And as far as I'm concerned, the convertible should be the only Corvette sold in California, because in California, owning a convertible should be required by law. In a convertible, check out this 992 Turbo convertible. Nice, nice. And check out the carbon fiber wheels. Yeah, with a single lug nut. That's an expensive option. Yeah, this thing reminds me when I was in India. It was dangerous. And then we have a thing. Yeah. What kind of company names their car a thing? I guess they can't figure anything else to call it. Very interesting exhaust setup on this truck here. Yeah, sure, why not? Just put a hole in your hood and blow the exhaust right out the hood. The only thing that keeps this thing somewhat quiet is the resonator. Yeah, I wonder if it shoots flames. Late arrival, Ferrari Testarossa. You know, the car was made famous because of Miami Vice. Yeah, buddy, Rolls Royce. Some nice muscle cars from Dodge, Plymouth, Porsche McLaren, Mercedes, and a very mean-sounding Chevrolet pickup truck. side exhaust. Drum brakes in the back. That's funny. And it's a Nissan GTR, a GTC, another one of those three-wheel motorcycle parked next to all these motorcycles. Yeah. And a Viper leaving the show. I think this guy won the wing of the week. Yes, the wing of the week. Check the size of that sucker. Nah, it's not big enough. Needs to be bigger. All right, so this is South OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday from 9 to 11. And if you're in the area, you should definitely check it out. It's a lot of fun. Great way to get some exercise in the morning or walk your dog even. Get a coffee. JohnShop.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.